Okay, let's turn from there. Dramatic twist to the UP journalist Jagendra Singh's murder case. Reports now suggesting that the sole eyewitness, Shalini, has actually changed her testimony in the minister's favor. Sources saying that in a statement recording to the police, the eyewitness who earlier claimed that Jagendra Singh was burnt alive by policemen at the behest of UP Minister Ram Murthy Singh, she now allegedly that she has turned hostile. Jagendra Singh's family members who are on an indefinite dharna claim the witness is acting under pressure. Listening.
गवाहों को जो है खरीदा जा रहा है, उनको डराया जा रहा है, धमकाया जा रहा है। सूत्रों से तो जानकारी ये मिली है कि उन्होंने कह दिया कि मैं मौके पे मौजूद थी और उन्होंने खुद आत्महत्या की है। पुलिस के डर से उन्होंने खुद आत्महत्या की है। तो पुलिस के डर से कोई क्यों आत्महत्या करे, ऐसा क्या डर था जो उन्होंने आत्महत्या करने पर मजबूर कर दिया?
Okay, let me go straight across to Rajiv Rai, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Rajiv Rai, I had you last Wednesday where you made a promise to me that in 1 week this murder case will be solved and the accused will be caught. 1 week later, nothing has happened. Instead, a witness has now turned hostile. The family is alleging that this is being done under pressure. What do you want to say?
Yes, Rajdeep, I remember very well. I did speak to you.
Yes.
And it's not correct to say that nothing has happened in last 1 week. Last 1 week, 5 constables have been suspended. All the witnesses have been almost more or less, they have been questioned and investigated. We are just waiting for the forensic report. 3 places the forensic team and director himself visited the site, and maybe we are expecting that as I spoke to the authorities today, they are expecting another couple of days, they'll get the forensic report also.
You promised me 1 week. You promised me 1 week, 9 days. Now there is this new twist. The family is saying a witness has turned hostile. Is there pressure being put on the family? Is there pressure being put on the witnesses? Can you give me an assurance once again that this investigation is being conducted independently and impartially?
Rajdeep, trust me, there is no question of threatening anybody or putting pressure on anyone. The CM is very much determined that justice must be done, truth must come out. Had we got this forensic report, I think would have been in the final stage. This is what I have understood. And one more thing I would like to point out here, Rajdeep. I have been watching this media only. Through the media, I saw these 3 statements that that witness who was given in under 164, that lady, her statement is different. The son at the beginning in the FIR, he has named the minister himself.
Okay.
Then he goes to Lucknow and says he was not there. And that late journalist, he himself has never mentioned the minister there. So there is a contradiction in all this.
I will wait.
And you have examples.
Okay, I'm going to give you.
You have examples of the.
Sir, I will give you 1 more week. I will give you 1 more week. I will bring you back on this program in the hope that by then at least your police can claim that they have cracked the case.
I'll come with much more. I'll come with much more information.
Okay, I will wait for that. I will wait for that. This is a story that we will continue to track. We will continue to keep an eye on exactly what happens in the case of the UP journalist's death. Appreciate your joining us, Mr. Rai. Coming up.